Hey guys, so I've contemplated doing this video for quite some time. I don't want to do just DIYs. I'm more than just DIYs. So I've been thinking about just being me, who I truly am in the natural form, and just accepting things for what they are. We live a day-to-day life, and I want to be able to enjoy my journey, allow you guys to have access to that journey, and just be able to provide more content than what I usually do. Don't mind my hair. I have a big bun and it's just all over the place. The lighting is bad because I'm on the side of the road. I have a flat tire. Don't know how I got it, but help is on the way. But that's not why I'm doing this video. I've been thinking a lot about what I want to do with my channel, how I want to go about it. And I just think that the best route for me would be to just be genuine, to be authentic, to let you see me in all forms. With that being said, sorry, I got Dunkin' Donuts and it's everywhere. But anyways, with that being said, hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta clean my camera. Okay, so that's much better. So I just wanted to come to you guys and explain the changes that will be coming for my channel, what I will be doing, why I'm doing it, because I just feel so limited with just doing DIYs after DIYs after DIYs. I still will be doing DIYs because I know most of my channel has been geared towards DIYs. But I have so much more to offer. I also do, not only do I do DIYs, but I also do gardening. I like to travel. I like to shop. I just like living life in my own comfort, which leads me to my next subject, which would be to show you my style of decoration and why I choose the things that I choose, where my inspiration comes from. Okay, so back to what I was talking about. I'm just coming in my natural form, just to be me, who I am, no one else. Not trying to appeal to a certain audience because I feel like I was doing that for so long. I just want to be me. I just want to be happy. I want to be free, just like I live. I live a Hygge lifestyle. And with that type of lifestyle, you're just doing your own thing, how you want to do it. You don't have to worry about, am I fitting into this box? Because I don't fit into any box. I'm not modern. I don't like to do minimalist because I like my stuff and I like a lot of it. For the things that I do like, I do try to keep it pretty organized. So that's a big thing for me. So I don't like the full farmhouse theme because that's not me. I don't like the industrial completely. But all of these areas have their amazing styles and pieces that you can collectively incorporate, but according to your own style. You don't have to necessarily be one or the other or just this or that. And that's how I've always lived my life. And I think that's why I would stop doing YouTube and I would start a project and then stop a project and then start all over again. And it was just like I was all over the place because I wasn't genuinely being myself. Like this whole situation here. Usually If I was on cam and I was doing a sit down, I would put on makeup and try to look my best, but I'm not doing that anymore. I am who I am. You can either accept me or leave me to be. With that being said, I hope you guys continue to enjoy the content that I'm bringing. Look forward to seeing new things, different things from me, and enjoying the journey that I'm going to take and just being a part of that process. So we have a lot to come. I'm going to make sure that, the content is always growing in a direction that allows each and every one of us to take something from it. I don't want to just put out any old thing, of course, so you don't have to worry about that, but I'm definitely going to switch it up a bit. And here are a few things that I will be bringing. I love pillows, if you don't know that about me. I definitely love pillows. I also enjoy drinks and different style of drinks. I also love changing up my diet and just bringing new meals to the table, not your generic meals that we see all the time and everyone's cooking it, or you may call someone else and they're having the same thing. I like to be a little bit more unique when it comes to that. With my garden, we've gotten that started, so that is amazing. Everything is kind of coming back for the things that I thought died off, like my lemon balm. It's actually back. And then we have the rosemary, which grew so large to the point that it's taken over. My peppermint that I thought died in the summer is actually spreading everywhere. The strawberries are starting to come back, and I'm also seeing that we have tons and tons and tons of blueberries. So I just want you guys to enjoy the channel, enjoy me, enjoy my content, and be a part of my family, or friends, or whatever, associates, however you guys would like to label yourself. Maybe we'll sit down and figure out a name for you guys. I will be changing the channel name, so I will no longer be the New Family. I will just be Chanel New. No one else, nothing less, just organically me.